Press the bell icon and never miss any update from WhatsApp Bollywood.
Today we'll talk about top most expensive dresses Bollywood actresses has worn on their wedding. Each and every girl feel that wedding day is one of the most important moment which every girl imagine at least once in her life. A lavish wedding with most expensive dresses of bridal, sari, lehenga and perfect jewelry on the dress. But this kind of wedding can be seen only of celebrities who spend lakhs and crores of money on their wedding dress. Well, when we talk about celebrity wedding, they were so expensive as well as they assigned a designer. So let's see who are the top 10 divas who wore most expensive dresses on their wedding. First, let you know that Deepika Padukone wedding dress was one of the most expensive wedding of all. Deepika Padukone had not spent lakhs on her dress but in crores. Deepika supported Sabyasachi crimson and gold lehenga which was worth rupees 1.5 crores. As everyone know, Bollywood Weibo Kareena Kapoor Khan married into a royal family. Sharara was most expensive and was worth rupees 1 crore, in which Kareena Kapoor was looking stunning, and also it was designed by Manish Malhotra. Let's talk about Virushka marriage. Anushka Sharma supported the elegant Sabyasachi lehenga which was crafted by 67 karigars and took 32 days to complete, and the cost of the lehenga was 98 lakhs. The style queen Sonam Kapoor, who always flaunt her dress, she spent 92 lakhs on her wedding dress and it was designed by Anuradha Vakil. The former Miss World who got married to Abhishek Bachchan in year 2007 spent 80 lakhs on her wedding dress designed by Nita Lula. Then come to unexpected couple all the time, Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas. Priyanka Chopra wore Sindhuri red Sabyasachi lehenga. The wedding was one of the most talked event of 2018, but the highlight was her wedding dress. She wanted her wedding outfit to represent both her and Nick cultures, so for that she spent 56 lakhs on her wedding dress. Coming to fitness diva Shilpa Shetty, is impossible to forget the diva wedding sari that cost 55 lakh, designed by the one of the best designer Tarun Thilani, the traditional red sari. Genelia D'Souza has also spent 45 lakh on her Marathi style wedding. Genelia supported a custom made sari by Nita Lula. Then come Rajkumar Rao wife and actress Patralekha, who was wore 32 lakh sari which was supported by Sabyasachi. Bipasha Basu, who has wore a wedding dress that cost 32 lakhs. She supported Sabyasachi. So this was the top 10 celebrity who has wore most expensive wedding dress. Before you will all go, I would like to share that you must be thinking why their dresses are so expensive. Actually, when they order to design the clothes, their dress worked in gold and kundan. What do you think about the expensive dress and whose dress you like the most? Let us know. And also for more updates, stay tuned with WhatsApp Bollywood.